The Icon of the Seas is a new cruise ship by Royal Caribbean International, set to debut in January 2024. It offers a wide range of features and attractions, making it an exciting and innovative vacation experience. Some of the key features of the Icon of the Seas include size and design. The ship is 365 meters long, weighs 250,800 tons, and has 20 decks, making it the largest cruise ship in the world. Water park. The Icon of the Seas will boast the largest water park at sea, featuring 6 record-breaking slides, including the tallest and the first open free-fall water slides on a cruise. Itinerary. The ship will offer 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean vacations from Miami, with a visit to Perfect Day at Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island destination. Power source. The Icon of the Seas will be the first ship powered by liquefied natural gas as part of Royal Caribbean's move towards cleaner energy. Dining. The ship will offer more than 40 ways to dine, with a combination of new dining concepts and returning favorites. 11 of these dining options will be complimentary, while 9 will come at an additional cost. Accommodations. The Icon of the Seas will have 2,805 staterooms, with a variety of accommodations ranging from expansive balconies to over-the-top family accommodations. Amenities. The ship will feature revamped pool decks, diving shows, and various entertainment options, including a dueling pianos bar, Sorrento's Pizzeria, Point and Feather Pub, Spotlight Karaoke, Boleros, and Schooner Bar. The Icon of the Seas and the Wonder of the Seas are both impressive Royal Caribbean cruise ships, but they have several differences. Size. The Icon of the Seas is the largest cruise ship in the world, with a higher guest and crew capacity, more passenger decks, a higher gross tonnage, and being 10 feet longer than the Wonder of the Seas. Itineraries. The Wonder of the Seas is based in Orlando, Florida for half the year, offering 7-night Caribbean sailings and visits to private resorts, while the Icon of the Seas is set to sail as a one-of-a-kind experience, with itineraries yet to be fully disclosed. Year built. The Wonder of the Seas was built in 2022, while the Icon of the Seas is set to debut in 2024. In summary, the Icon of the Seas is larger and set to offer a unique experience, while the Wonder of the Seas has specific itineraries and is already in operation.